Rich ice cream packed in between pure magic Deuce biscuits. This ice cream sandwich is one you do not want to miss. Hello foodies, my name is Kanak and you're watching Britannia Dessert Carnival, where today I'll be showing you how to prepare an irresistible ice cream sandwich using pure magic Deuce. This one is the easiest recipe you can prepare at home for any kind of gatherings, and that too in advance. So just stick around and watch the recipe. So let's start the recipe, for which I've taken this container or tin, whichever you have available, you can use that, which I've lined with this cling wrap for easy demolding. You can also use a butter paper instead. So the first layer is going to be of pure magic Deuce, and here I already have some in this plate which I'm going to layer first. So first I'm going to make a thick layer out of this. You can see how I'm doing. The chocolate part should be out and the cookies part should be on top. So you can adjust your cookies however you want as per your tin. So here I've made two thick layers of this way, and one I'm going to place this side. And there is still some space remaining on the corner side. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to break this cookie into half and I'm going to place it over there, just to fill up that gap. So you can see this first layer of cookies is ready. I'm going to top it up with some ice cream over it. So in goes some ice cream. So today I'm using this strawberry ice cream as I personally like it, but if you want, you can simply use some vanilla ice cream, some chocolate ice cream, or any other ice cream which you like. So I'm going to make a nice and thick layer out of this. You can see how I'm doing, and then simply spread it with the help of a spatula or spoon. And guys, what you can do, you can simply remove this ice cream from the fridge half an hour before you want to spread it for easy spreading. Make sure you spread it nicely or on all the corners. So the chunkiest tip of the day is that if you want to make this ice cream sandwich more fancy for your kids' birthday parties or gatherings, then you can simply add some choco chips, some sprinkles, or even nuts if you like. So once you smoothen this nicely, then I'm going to top it up with another layer of pure magic Deuce. And similarly keep the cookies part at the bottom and the chocolate part on top. So normally when you buy any store-bought ice cream or any store-bought ice cream sandwich, they have a very basic biscuit or cake at the base, which is quite boring. And you know what is the importance of this biscuit? It has a nice combination of the dark biscuit base with a nice rich slab of chocolate on top, which forms a perfect base and top of this irresistible ice cream sandwich. So this is the last one. So the top layer of the biscuit is also nicely set. As you can see, it's looking so lovely already. This needs to go in the refrigerator for 8 to 10 hours, or overnight is better. So I'm going to put this into the freezer and come back. So your ice cream sandwich is ready and it is nicely set, as you can see, and we just need to demold this. So I'm going to just demold this. Just remove the cling wrap out of it. You can see how easily it is coming out because we have used cling wrap in this. Oh wow, you can see the beautiful layers of the ice cream, the chocolate biscuits and the chocolate on top. So I'll just cut and show you. Just look at this ice cream sandwich, it looks divine. So with this pure magic Deuce ice cream sandwich, you will get the best of both worlds. So guys, I hope you enjoyed watching this recipe, and if yes, do hit that like button, share the recipe with your loved ones, especially those having children, and subscribe for more updates from Britannia Dessert Carnival. I'll see you soon with one more recipe. Till then, take good care. Bye-bye.